There's a look up all the way up the hill. Look at that, you can camp up there. Let's get us a big motor coach, Mike, and do that. Well, here at Thunder Valley, where the sounds are great, it's time for our Sounds of the Strip. Listen to the echo.
Put a hole like it. Put like half of it. Like one of them. Now you can see it from back there. Oh yeah. Man, it's going on and it left to the wall. Yeah. I just got my other hand. Like half bracket. So just got my hand on the parachute.
The sound wash over the track, even though they had to both shut it down a little early. So Tim Wilkerson and Matt Hagan will stay second and fourth and bring us to our last pair in funny car qualifying.
Well, both cars trying to test the racetrack. Matt Hagan had a cylinder out when he hit the throttle. That probably led it to go into tires shake and then smoke the tires and backfire the supercharger. Tim Wilkerson, I think, just might have overpowered it when he tried to bring the power on after he got through the shake zone. As a result, both cars coasted across the finish.